Hey everyone, welcome back to Arise MarkTech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on digital marketing and SEO strategies. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial elements of SEO, keyword research. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your strategy, this video will break down everything you need to know. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the tools and techniques, let's first understand what it is and why it's the backbone of keyword research SEO. Keyword research is the process of finding and analyzing search terms that people enter into search engines. These keywords help you understand what your audience is looking for and how you can create content that ranks higher in search results. Why is keyword research important? It helps drive organic traffic to your website. You get to understand user intent and deliver relevant content. It boosts your chances of ranking on the first page of Google. Not all keywords are created equal. There are different types of keywords that serve different purposes. Let's explore them. Short tail keywords, broad high competition, e.g. SEO tips. Long tail keywords, more specific lower competition, e.g. best SEO tips for small businesses. LSI, latent semantic indexing. Keywords, related terms Google associates with your main keyword, e.g. keyword strategy for SEO keywords. Transactional keywords, used by users ready to take action, e.g. buy SEO tools online. Informational keywords, users searching for knowledge, e.g. what is keyword research? Understanding these keyword types helps in crafting an effective SEO strategy. Now let's talk about the best ways to find the right keywords for your website or content. Here are some top methods. Brainstorm and understand your audience. Think like your audience. What would they type into Google? Use Google's Autosuggest and related searches. Start typing a keyword in Google search and let Google suggest trending queries. Leverage free and paid keyword research tools. Google Keyword Planner, great for basic research. Ubersuggest, find keyword difficulty and competition. Ahrefs and SEMrush, advanced keyword analysis tools. AnswerThePublic, find questions people ask around a keyword. Check competitor keywords. Use Ahrefs or SEMrush to analyze what keywords your competitors rank for and identify gaps. Use Google Search Console and Analytics. Find what keywords are already bringing traffic to your site and optimize accordingly. One of the most important aspects of keyword research is understanding search intent. Why? Because Google prioritizes results that best match user intent. There are four main types of search intent. Informational, users want answers, e.g., how does SEO work? Navigational, users search for a specific site, e.g., Facebook login. Transactional, users intend to take an action, e.g., buy SEO course online. Commercial investigation, users compare options before buying, e.g., best SEO tools 2024. Aligning your content with the right intent ensures higher engagement, better rankings, and more conversions. Before finalizing your keywords, you need to analyze them using key SEO metrics. Search volume. How many people search for this keyword monthly? Keyword difficulty, KD. How hard is it to rank for this keyword? Cost per click, CPC. If running ads, how much does it cost per click? Click-through rate, CTR. How likely are users to click on a search result with this keyword? Competition level. How many websites are targeting this keyword? Balancing high search volume and low competition is key for success. Once you've identified your keywords, the next step is strategically placing them within your content. Here's how. Title and meta description. Ensure your main keyword appears naturally. Headings and subheadings, H1, H2, H3. Structure your content well. URL slug, keep it short and keyword rich. Body content, use keywords naturally, avoid stuffing. Image alt text, helps in Google image search rankings. internal and external links. Optimize your linking strategy. And there you have it. A complete guide to keyword research for SEO. Now that you know how to find, analyze, and use keywords effectively, it's time to put this knowledge into action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO and marketing insights, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest keyword research challenge? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.